In today's world, many people have begun to find ways to cut costs when owning small business or working as a freelance worker. For this reason, many have begun to take a look at time tracking software to help keep track of their books. QuickBooks is a program that can be used to track your time spent on a project or the time of your employees at work. QuickBooks software has a lot of different services that can help small businesses out, but the QuickBooks timesheets will really help small business owners. QuickBooks Timesheets is a service offered to help people keep track of their employees' time on projects and at work. If you are a small business owner, you can use these services to help you keep track of your own books and payroll. You can have an employee clock in when they get to work and then stop the timer when they're ready to leave. QuickBooks Timesheets can also help a freelance worker keep track of the time they spent on each client's project. If you have more than one client and more than one project you're working on, it might become difficult to keep track of the time spent. The way the QuickBooks timesheets will work is similar to the way it worked with the employees. You'll start the timer when you begin to work on a project and then stop it when you have stopped working. These timesheets will prove to your client that they are working on their projects for the number of hours billed. With proof of time spent, it becomes a little easier to earn the trust of your clients. With tight budgets and a very rocky employment market, you will need help with your payroll or keeping track of the time spent on clients' projects. If you purchase the QuickBooks timesheets, you'll be able to gain the assistance of software, but not have to pay a payroll service to help you bill clients and or pay all of your employees. This will help your budget as well as your reputation as a freelance worker or employer. QuickBooks timesheets will also help you keep your records organized for billing purposes. You'll know who to bill, when to bill, and how much to bill.